In this tutorial, I will go over your user interface very briefly. First, to get that mouse pointer on your screen, hit the Alt key on your keyboard, and you get the pointer. This, of course, is the chat area. All these chat tabs are customizable just by clicking here. You can add another one, or select different options within the tabs. This, you can access your crystals or gear, different titles, costumes, dungeon and PvP stats, reputation. This is your skills. Those are your passive, alliance, your mounts, chain skills, quests. That's your quest log. Maps, mini-map is already right here. The large map is right here. Zoom out. You access different areas. So these are different things right here, like craft, Tera store, item claim, systems menu, options, unstuck. If you're ever stuck anywhere you can't get out, just click unstuck. It'll pull you out. This, of course, is your action tray, shortcut tray, or whatever you want to call it, skills tray. Elite perks if you're elite. Right here, this will display all your buffs and boosts. You can move this around. What channel you're on. This icon right here shows that, well, I'm on a PvP server, and it shows where PvP is allowed. Currently it is allowed. If it's not allowed, like if I'm in a safe section, it will have a blue icon right here. It's like bluish green, and it'll say PvP not allowed, or it's just safe. Item claim, like if you buy something from the EMP store, it'll show up here or here. This will show your exart from whatever alliance you're part of. Access to vaults. This will show if your access to vaults are open or closed, and if the exart or extractor competition is open or closed. If you want to queue for Battleground, select whatever you want to queue on or queue for. You want to lead, click here. Dungeons. These are the dungeons you can enter. You could also queue for them, of course. These are your dailies. Right here, which is weekly bonus. Mine just to reset. Once you complete 20 dailies for the week, you could get this. I usually do them like in between 2 to 4 days. Roll call, if you attend to 7 of the 7 last days, you get these perks. Here is a listing of all your dailies. You can either find a queue for a daily, like if it's an instance, or if there's something you could do on your own, you could just teleport to the daily. Okay, for the user interface, so if you want to display HP on enemies, or here, I'll click myself. See this bar up here? It'll show your HP. Player alerts, you get different alerts. You could have it show you. Scale UI. Overall, you could make everything bigger or smaller. I'll just put it back to what it was. Or it could go to individual parts. These are your shortcuts on the shortcut tray. You can change them if you want.